Okay, so today is FOMC day, later on the day, so I expect weird price action. Yesterday we didn't take any trades because price action was very bad, at least for my type of setup. It wasn't even that bad, but it was just better to stay off the charts. Today I do not expect much, but as now, as what I'm seeing right now, I think we could have a trade. In fact, we have change of character down here, and we started going on an uptrend on the 5-minute time frame, and our most recent breakout structure is here, and what we are waiting is a retest of this fair value gap slash this support resistance zone for it to give me a retest. Then we will scale down to the lower time frame, the 1-minute time frame, and we will wait for a breakout structure there. And if this happens, we are going to take a trade to the upside with the take profit at the hourly previous highs. There are the yesterday New York session highs too, and yesterday overall high, so it should be good. I just say what happens. It's interesting because with the Fibonacci tool we can see that the retracement is over or is in the golden zone, so even though we didn't hit here, we could potentially take a trade. With the first take profit being here and the final take profit all the way up here. It looks a good setup to me, but let's just be patient and let the market do its thing. So if price doesn't come back here and just keep going up, if prices breaks this zone right here, I will enter. And in the other scenario where price keeps coming down and hits this target right here, then I can just wait for a breakout structure. Like if price keeps going down, then I'll just wait for this breakout structure slash change of character to get in the trade. But if the price just goes up from right here, I won't take it right here because it's a little bit riskier. But if it's pushed through this high, then I'll get in with a stop loss down here. That is what I'm expecting to do today. Then it should be a good trade either way. So just be patient, set 2 alerts, and let the markets do its thing. And now I'm going to grab some water because I've finished this bottle. I'm back with a glass with lemon for electrolytes and some bottles of water. Actually it's 4, but it's okay. And we are ready. Fuck. So sour. Overall, August, it was pretty slow and bad price action for my playbook. So far in this month, we have only taken 3 trades, and 2 of them was break even, and one was a win with a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So yeah, we did not do much during this month, but this is just part of what trading is. I learned this with a lot of blown funded accounts that if there isn't a setup, it's just better to walk off and don't take any trades instead of trying to chase setups and blow your account. So I think I'm getting better under this aspect, and also recording this video is helping me a lot, keeping myself accountable and pushing me to not break my rules, because obviously if I say that I have to do this, do that on a screen record, and then I do not do that, or I do that against my rules, it's like very awkward to explain. So it just keeps me accountable more than I would be without this recording. So yep, this is it. We have just to wait and nothing, just watch. Hopefully in a few months from now I'm going to live my dream life, what I've been trying to get since March 2023. I started learning trading concepts, joining a Discord and some private paid membership community. It's been a long journey where I was not, like, I took some breaks from trading and that really slowed me down. In fact, an advice for beginners or just people who have just started: whatever happens, just do not take breaks. I mean, because you're starting, so the best thing to do is just keep doing, and failing. Even if you're not making any progress, just keep doing that, because you're learning. Meanwhile, subconsciously, even if you're not journaling or nothing, obviously you should journal, backtest, and do everything. But even if you don't do that thing that I did not do a few months, years ago, even though if you don't do that, you will make some progress over the time if you just keep being consistent and showing up every day. So my biggest advice is just don't take breaks. Like for me, I was dumb, I was chasing some hoes, and I got lost for like 7 months last year, and I did not do shit from February to till like October. And those 8 months could have changed my life. I could be 8 months uh, more forward in my trading career right now. So just never give up and stay consistent. Obviously, I'm still not profitable. I haven't made any money yet, but this is what I've learned so far, and I'm trying just to get this information out, not like for me, so I can really put these ideas and this shit to myself, so I can just remember this for myself and getting better. And maybe in 6 months I will believe in a better life. I mean, achieving my dreams, achieving my goals. So yeah, when I just started trading, I was like writing down all. Wait, let me just show you guys. I was writing down all this shit to learn trading, like some patterns, some charts, basic shit. But even though now I don't use this shit anymore, it kind of helped me because, you know, at the beginning it helps you, but yeah, I guess it's okay. And I don't know what to say anymore, so just go back to the charts. Yep, just wait. So it seems we might have our trade soon. And yeah, it's looking good, I guess. So if we take out our list of confluences, we have a top of into a point of interest, which is all the way down here. And if we really wanted to argue that, yeah, then we have a liquidity strip slash imbalance field. Yeah, it's like an imbalance field around this zone right here. Then we have a 5-minute break of structure to continue, because this is a continuation setup. If we wanted a reversal, we would have taken all the way down here, but it's gone, so now we have to take the continuation. Then we need a retest, or just a fill of some sort of gap or something, which we have right here. And now we are just waiting for our 1 minute break of structure, that since it did not give us the retest of this zone right here, but it gave us a fair value gap, we need to wait for a break of the high. Instead, if we had retest of the resistance zone, we could have entered earlier, but let's just see, because price might even tank from now on. So let's just see and look at what the charts wants to do. The hourly is bullish. It changed character right here. The 4 hourly, we are still in this range though, but we may break out, since even if we look at the monthly, it looks like it wants just to push through this high. Hopefully we do, but nothing certain in the markets, I guess. On the ADXY, it seems the price may drop, but it could also keep going up. It's a tricky place, but let's just see. This is definitely some pre-FOMC price action. Very unpredictable and just weird. So, yep, just wait, and you shall see. I might just keep reading my book. Well, let's just focus on the chart for a little bit. So now we are in an interesting zone where either price keeps going down, then we don't have to take any trades today because our bias is to take a buy and just following the trend, but it could also give us the opportunity to enter the markets right now, so just be as sharp focus as we can. Here we have the psychological level where the price bounced off a few times. And yeah, I guess now we just scale down to the 1 minute time frame and we'll wait to see if the price gives us a little retracement, keep going down and then keep going up now, or it keeps going down. Let us see what the market wants to give us today. It's for sure a very interesting zone right now. Actually it's pretty good. And wait, earlier did I put the Fibonacci from here? You would have made more sense from here. Oh no, I don't know. I just use the Fibonacci as a complementary thing, so I don't really like if the Fibonacci is there, it's okay, but even if it's not, I don't really care because it's just a little extra I like to use, but it's not anything necessary in my opinion. But I'm unprofitable, so I guess just get ready. It could be any time now, or it could be tomorrow if the price keeps dropping. What the fuck? No. By the way, I'm thinking that I will start doing MMA again after 7 years. I used to do MMA when I was 9 years old, and September I think I will start going to MMA 3 times a week. I have to go to the gym 4 times a week, plus I have to go to school, so it's going to be pretty rough. But I mean, trading, to be honest, right now that I have set up, I have my playbook, I have everything. All I need to do is execute. It doesn't take me that much time. So yep, I think I just want to be the best version of myself under every other aspect of life: school, health, being fucking smart, make money. I just want to be great. And now if price closes above here, I think we'll get into a trade with the stop loss all the way down here. Take profit 1, take profit 2. But you know what, since it's FOMC day and the volume doesn't seem to be very nice, I could even consider to just close half position here and trail my stop loss very tightly. And we might have our trade right now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, we won't take the trade until it does not break this line. We have to be patient. Patience pays. Impatience, people will suffer. I'm keeping a pretty large stop loss, and I should be giving this trade plenty space to breathe, so it should be a good safe trade, but you never know actually. So yeah, but I'm following my rules, so even though it should be good either way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are in a trade. Let's go. So we got filled in into right here, and now we will just fucking wait. Today is my rest day, so I don't even have to go to the gym because I already went Monday and Tuesday. Next session of the gym is Thursday, so we just have to chill right now. And I do not want to look at the charts while I'm in a trade, because then I start to get emotions. I start to, taking bad decisions, closing early, trailing stop losses, things. I think I should just be going, have a snack, since now I'm in a bulk too, so I want to get to 70 kilos. Right now I'm 63 kilos, so it's going to be a long winter where I bulk up. So yep, I'll place my stop loss, my take profit, even though I think I will just close 50% if price comes up here, and trail my stop loss very tightly, and if it stops me out, then I'm just out, I guess. So yep, it's better for me not to look, because but I follow all my rules, so it should be good. I'm just going to get some food. and we are out. It's very unlucky because price action is really weird, and I guess my lesson here is that based on what I've experienced in the past FOMCs, I just won't trade until FOMC is over. So every Monday to Wednesday that has FOMC, I won't trade until Thursday. And I guess this is it. We got a loss. It's still a good loss because we followed all our rules, but now we also know that we should not trade during FOMC. So this is it.